Governing vessel 20 is located on the top of your head. To find governing vessel 20, start at the tips of your ears, like this, and then bring your fingers together on the top of your head. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is governing vessel 20. It'll be right about here. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. During or shortly after treating governing vessel 20, your whole body may feel warm and energized. Repeated treatments deepen the effect.